everyone! So, it's Maka Day today. And nagtitaping po kami ngayon. Actually, meron pong filming na nangyari dito sa harap ko ngayon. And so, this is the spot na nahanap ko to film. Anyway, so, I'm going to talk about the difference ng character ko from Season 1. Difference ni Livy Ilagan from Season 1 to sa Season 2. So, ayun. For me, si Livy Ilagan nung Season 1, she's very, as you all know, Livy is very, parang, boyish siguro. Or like, just someone na hindi marunong mag-ayos. Ganyan. Or like, pinapabayaan, neglected, ganyan. Livy is also someone na parating, tinutulungan mga kaibigan niya, sinusuportan mga kaibigan niya ng Season 1, ganyan, yung mga problema nila. Tinutulungan niya she's always there para sa mga kaibigan niya. And ayun, like for me, biggest difference is the change of physique siguro, the way she handles herself, the way she the way she presents herself na. Kasi sa Season 2, as you can see guys, hindi naman ako ganito before, hindi naman ako nakaayos dati, nakakap na ako dati, pero ngayon may kulot na, ganyan. So, natuto na siyang mag-ayos this season, Season 2. So, ayun, very big difference. And, hindi ako magsuspoil, pero, Season 2, meron din sigurong, change of, personality, attitude niya. Ayun, like, parang, hindi na siya masyadong, baka maging independent, ganun. Like, hindi siya maging independent sa barkada niya. Which is sila Zeph, Marco, Ashley, si Clifford, ganyan. So, ayun. Yun yung difference. Parang, this season, mas extra palaban, mas independent, parang someone na eager talaga na makamit yung goal niya. Which is to, like, parang magkaroon ng magandang buhay, mag-aral sa magandang school. So, ayan, yun yung difference niya. Parang, dati, shy girl, na boyish, ganun. Ngayon, extra palaban na siya. And, talagang hindi takot na mag-confront and i-explain yung sarili niya, pakita yung kung ano nararamdaman niya, kung anong deserve niya. So, ayun. Wala sinabi, pero yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Sana manood po kayo ng Maka this February 1 na. Let's enjoy!